Hello, everyone. Hello, marketers. Today, I'm going to talk about three things. But if someone starts snoring, I'm going to blame on those pizzas, not whatever I'm going to present. But with that said, let's move on. So, first of all, I want to thank the whole AI user conference team. They're doing a fantastic job. I know these guys for last 1 year. The kind of efforts they are putting across for the AI conference team is fantastic. I really appreciate that. My whole presentation and the decks and demos, everything is available in this QR code. I'm going to show you guys at the end as well. I'm going to move on. Three things: AI, video, email. How it is defining the future of marketing. But before that, let's ask why AI is the future. I know it's a dumb question to ask, right? We are an AI user conference. We know the answer. Let's move on to why video is the future. First time in history, I'm talking about in online history, website, like people, average customers, your buyers, everyone who spends time 16 hours on browsing a website. This happens in last 2022 and 2023, 19 hours in a video, which is really good, which means that you already know, starting from text-only Facebook, now became video-only Facebook. Photo sharing, Instagram now becomes fully blown video installed Instagram. Like that, your website, it's totally going to be video from now on. And why email is the future? Email, I think it's like Jennifer Lopez glow. Ageless, constantly evolving. Somehow it never gets old, right? I think I always feel that it never gets wrinkled. Like the whole email marketing is just works always. But I don't want to just show Jennifer Lopez picture to get away. I want to show you some statistics as well. 40 times more effective at acquiring customers than social media. This is from McKinsey. If you invest $1, you will get $42 in return on investment from email marketing. And there is almost 59% of B2B marketers consider email marketing their most effective revenue channel. And this is published by Social Media Today, which is interesting. Okay, who we are? We just help marketers to grow. We have 7 creative apps. More than 70% of Fortune 500 companies use our tool. We have 4 patents in AI, and we have more than 25 million users. We also won the AI Application of the Year award last year. So I think enough bragging, let's move on to 3 challenges. Challenge 1, I want to do this one thing to increase your tofu by 300%. Just add a video. I know it's a simple solution, but I'll give you 2 examples. Assume that you have a page A and page B. Both are like identical twins. Page A doesn't have a video, page B has a video. The moment you add a video, I'll tell you, maybe 50-60% of users who comes to your page B with video, their average spend time on your page is going to rise by 3x, which is a big deal, guys. The moment your page gets more engagements, people are going to stay on your page for long. It's a simple hack. Google and all the search engines going to understand this page performs better. This page is going to hold the users better. One simple thing, just add a video to your landing pages or blogs. How do you think these 25 million users of Animaker comes from? All videos. Answer, just add a video to every landing page and blog. If you have 100 pages, you need 100 videos for sure. So I'm going to quickly show you a couple of demos, how to create a lot of videos. Maybe I'll start with one video, and I'll also show you how to embed these videos into Animaker. So I'm going to play a video. This is Priyanka. She's going to explain.
Video making is now made easier thanks to Steve AI. No matter what you have, like an audio, a script, a logging page, a blog, a PowerPoint, a PDF, or even a prompt, you can use Steve AI to have the video generated for you in 7 different unique styles. Let's go on to the dashboard to see how it works. I choose the Gen AI to generate the video. Once I click on generate, it takes me to a page where I give the description of how I want my video to look like. Here I'm giving a description of a promotional video to order pet food online. Once I give the description, I choose the categories of how I want my video to look like. I'm choosing the product launch and click on generate. Once the script is getting generated, it's getting divided into scenes. Now these can be edited by words or by sentences. Now let me add the topic for my video. I can also add a human-like voiceover and then click on generate voice and click next. Then it takes me to the page of templates where I can find 50 different styles. Out of these, I can choose any one that matches my need and click on generate. Once I click on generate, it generates the video. I just need to sit back and relax and let the AI do its work. Once the video is generated, it will look something like this. Now, we also have an option to have the scenes edited. You can change its layout, you can change the color, you can add the transition, you can increase or decrease the scene timelines. And these are the scenes that has been created, as you can see on the thumbnails below. Now, I can also have this text edited. I can change the palette colors, say this, and apply it all. I can also have this changed on the background images. I can use the AI to generate the image, or I can use that from the library. For the AI generation, I just need to give the description, and to change from the library, I can just choose it from the library image. Let's say this. Now I find this image to be cute and I have added that. Let me play a video for you and show how it looks.
Introducing our new startup, an online platform for buying cat and dog pet food.
Isn't that great? I'll go ahead and have this published. Now I need to download this video. Once I click on download, it downloads in a 4K quality, which is amazing. To embed this video into your blog or a website, I will need Show. Show is a marketing engagement platform that turns your email and videos into revenues. With Show, you can attract new customers using the power of video SEO and win them over an AI-powered buyer engagement platform that automatically listens, understands, converts using the most personalized experience. Log into your Show account and have the video uploaded that you have downloaded from Steve AI. Once the video is uploaded, click on it, open it, and you can find the embed link at the side. Click on the embed link and choose iframe code and have this link copied. Let me show you how the website looks like. This is the website where I want to add the video to, but by replacing this image. I click on the WordPress and have this edited. I have the custom code added and preview. Now,
Introducing our news.
this is how my preview looks like. I click on update and click on view post. Now, the video has been added successfully on the blog. If you see here, let me play and show it to you again.
Introducing our news.
This is one of the way where you can have an interactive conversation with your customers using the video. You can simply just enter the frames. You can write your name, your email ID, your phone number as well.
Startup, buy pet food online, revolutionizing the way you shop for cat and dog pet food. Buy pet food online, allow their needs. With Buy Pet Food Online, you can save time and ensure that your furry friends always have their favorite meals. Pets' nutritional needs.
Let us know if you find this interesting. Thank you.
Thank you, Priyanka. Okay. Challenge number 2. Do this one thing to get 10x your engagement in social media posts. I know getting engagement in social media is very, very difficult now. The answer is just post at the right time. Yes, it looks like a simple solution, but I'll tell you what are things get screwed up. Assume that you have an x-axis. You have the most relevant time on your left and most irrelevant time on your right, right? What are things may deviate your time? First, platform has different peak time. Facebook have a different peak time. YouTube have a different peak time. Instagram have a different peak time. That deviates the overall timing of your post. Second, your marketers. Social media marketers who works in West trying to post in East won't work. I mean, sometimes it won't work. We don't schedule because our working time is our posting time. But our customer times are very different. Third, the deviation comes from your ideal customer profile. When I say ideal customer profile, someone in your hospital industry is very, very different from someone belongs to shopping. Someone belongs to a different market. If you are selling to a tech guy, it's very different. So your ICP matters in terms of deviation as well. And the fourth, which is my favorite, is learning the trends in last minute. Today is World's Puzzle Day. And today is the day when first time Romeo and Juliet was played by Shakespeare. But we know all this trend end of the day and we run to our social media team, try to create a video. Before that, your feed is already filled with your competitors' social media posts. We always like our first or second World Tacos Day. We don't like every comment, every like, every post, right? So posting on relevant time with your trends is very, very important. So these are the topics which really screw up your time of relevancy in terms of post. So I prompted ChatGPT to give a title for this demo. This is the title it gave. Posting time, the secret weapon in your social media arsenal, which is pretty good. So let's go on to the demo.
Are you tired of manually creating social media posts only to be disappointed with low engagement? Meet PicMaker. It helps to put your social media content creation on autopilot and schedule posts at optimal times to boost your engagement. To start, enter your website link and click on Generate Social Post. Choose your industry and your social channel preferences. You can also describe your visuals. Our AI engine will learn about your business and target your audience peak active time, the algorithm of each platform, content type, and more. This information helps us to suggest the best time to post your content across various platforms. If you are an e-commerce marketer, feel free to add your product URLs. You can also upload your brand assets. Once you click Generate, boom, your designs are created in a few minutes. I'm gonna select all and go schedule. And just like that, my calendar gets jam-packed with tailor-made content that's perfect for the business and ready to be shared across multiple platforms. If you notice, the AI engine has picked the best time to post for each respective platform. This is dynamic. For an example, the best time to post on Instagram on Sunday is 11:30 a.m. While for the same platform, it is 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday. This changes every week based on the factors that I mentioned before. Consequently, PicMaker ensures complete social media automation and a tenfold increase in engagement.
Thank you, Praveen. Okay, now challenge number 3. Do this one thing to get the maximum sales conversion from your email marketing campaign. Right, so the answer is, so before that, we all know these statistics. $1 spent, you'll get $40 in email marketing. Fine, sounds easy, but where do I spend this $1 to get $40? That's a billion-dollar question, right? So that's exactly we're going to cover in this demo. So there are 2 tools we're going to talk about. One is vMaker AI. We have been keep seeing a lot of creation. So this is going to be a full-blown editing. And then we also show how to send a personalized email campaign as well.
Ever wondered video editing could be as easy as just a click? Well, with vMaker AI, you can make your raw videos go wow-looking videos in just minutes. Let me show you how it works. Let's look at this unedited video clip.
We just look for the best talent, whatever.
Edited raw webinar recording. All you have to do is just upload this video into vMaker's AI. vMaker AI would seamlessly analyze your video content, identify key highlights from the video, and enhances your video. Now let's look at the output file.
We just look for the best talent, whatever they are. We want to go get them. One thing that we've been doing that's been working really well, in this world, there's a lot of competition, so speed is everything.
So as you can see, the AI has already added background music, introduction slides, relevant stock visuals, and even added some text animations here. And the text animations are already in sync with the audio file in the video. If you want to make some manual adjustments to the video, you can do it seamlessly, and bingo, you're ready to go live just like that. Your video just went from raw to wow in minutes. Podcasts, webinars, event videos, social media videos. With vMaker AI, you can basically go from raw recordings into ready to publish videos in just minutes. Now let's look at how we can use this video into our email campaigns. And you guessed it right, with AI. Meet Show, a marketer's favorite email tool that turns your videos and emails into revenue. With Show's AI, you can now create and send hyper-personalized email campaigns that guarantees industry-leading email returns. Now let's create an email launch campaign for vMaker AI using Show. First, let's just upload our final video into Show and probably add a custom thumbnail to make it look even better. Once the video is uploading, click on the Generate Campaign with AI button and let's start filling in the details. So under the department, I'm going to choose marketing. This is a product launch campaign, and I'm going to select 3 touch points for the email drips. On the right side, feed your inputs about the product. For example, I want to promote the website, the product name, and add some notes about your product to help the AI understand this even better. Once you have those OmniScript to integrate with your website and import the user data automatically. Once you have entered the details, click on generate and wait for the magic to unfold. Based on the given inputs, the AI will automatically create an email sequence with personalized email copies, subject lines, and even emojis and CTAs to make it even more engaging. You can go ahead and edit the copy. For example, and that's it. You just created an email campaign in minutes. But wait, there's more. Shows AI is now capable of understanding your user activity, like their demographic data, past email engagement, and even understanding their job role to predict their working hours and suggest the best time to schedule your emails to deliver the maximum engagement, which show you can now reinvent email marketing to reach the right people with the right content, even at the right.
So I think a lot of fancy AI features. See how it will increase your top of the funnel traffic, will increase your revenue. There are 100 more facts which you can, stories and studies which you have done from our 25 million users. You can scan the code, learn from this. This is going to be really useful. Whether you guys going to use our tools or any tools, this is going to be of great use. With that said, guys, how to dominate the future? By knowing past, present, and forward stuff. How to dominate the future of marketing? By knowing video is the trend of past and for Lopez. Thank you so much.